see a lot more of this in coming videos. I'm just back from a really awesome weekend, but I wanted to do this because something struck me on the weekend. You see, what I've been struggling with the past few months, and that's probably the reason that I haven't been uploading that much on YouTube, is that I keep overthinking the videos I want to make. If it's for clients or it's for you guys, it's just, I always want to make this big ass production out of everything, and it just keeps me stuck where I am. Hopefully some of you are listening and going through the same thing, and hopefully this video helps you in any way. Such a mess. No, but for real, I'm done with this. And without any more bullshit, this is the video that will get me back into the game. I've got more ideas and time to execute them. But we all have this threshold that stops you from creating, and instead you go over and scrolling that feed, consuming other people's videos and content, trying to find that one bit of inspiration that is going to make your project a lot better. But that's not how it works. So instead of waiting for inspiration to just happen, I think the best thing you can do is just experience life and try new things. And if it wasn't for that idea for a night shoot, I wouldn't have tried filming that. I wouldn't have the footage to make this video. Instead, all of those small pieces of puzzle start to sort themselves until you just have this aha moment, and that's when you really enter the creative flow. But that won't come if you don't start creating. Instead, those ideas will be left hidden away in my notebook. When you don't feel like you want to do anything, you just need to do a little bit of experiencing. And that's what this small recap is all about.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life.
So guys, with all of that said, future me, if you're watching this, this is a message for you guys. It's next time you're planning out something or you're trying to get out with a new project, I don't know what, just stop thinking and just do the things that feel natural to you. Try new things, and eventually everything will be all right. Just trust the process, right? No? Okay. Gonna see you in the next one. It's all about the creativity.
Another year.